Ever feel swamped trying to wrangle project information between Jira and Confluence? Today, we're tackling a critical question: should every Jira project get its dedicated Confluence page? And if so, how do you make it work? First, let's analyze the why. Integrating Confluence provides a single source of truth for supporting project info. Imagine easily accessing requirements, design docs, meeting minutes, and more, all linked from your Jira project. This streamlining cuts down on search time and boosts team productivity. Step 1. Decide your integration approach. Do you want a one-to-one relationship, a single Confluence page mirroring each Jira project, or a more flexible structure using page templates? Consider your team size, project complexity, and documentation needs before making your decision. Implementing the integration itself is pretty straightforward. Create the space to be dedicated to project documenting. Once you have created the space, navigate to your Jira project and create a new Confluence page, inserting important information like requirements, details, and design specifications using the content of the page that best supports project information. Finally, make it transparent. Clearly label your Confluence project pages for easy identification and link them directly from your Jira projects. Ensure consistent formatting, usage of headings, and content organization across all project pages. Streamline project documentation for better knowledge sharing and team alignment.